This activity game is called Iron Board Roll. What you'll need is a ball, an ironing board, and a bin or a basket or a box to use as a target. To play this game, you need to set up your ironing board. You put the basket on the floor at the one end and yourself with the balls at the other end. To play this game, you need to roll the ball along the ironing board and get the ball to land in the basket. Make sure you have a few practice goes, because if you roll the ball with too much power, then it's going to roll off the board and past the basket. To make this game more challenging, you can use smaller targets. Thanks for watching. Now it's time for you guys at home to give it a go.